Hi guys, so today I'm at Braamfontein. I'll be showing you a place called 44 Stanley here in Johannesburg. So right now I'm on 44 Stanley Avenue Street. I just want to show you how the street looks like before I go inside to show you how the place looks like. So there's a lot of students here. The University of Johannesburg is not far from here. And there's also plenty of student accommodation here. And there's a private institution or private college as well. So today it's a Saturday. The weather is cloudy. We might get rain later on. So you can see there's young people around. Like I said, there are student accommodation in this area because of the proximity of the University of Johannesburg. Here on my left, there's a tattoo shop. And then there's also a gym on my left here, a Virgin Active Gym. And this is a Plateau coffee shop. So a lot of people do drink coffee. There's a lot of competition when it comes to coffee shops. So this area is one of those areas where people like to come and visit during the weekends. There's a lot of shops, restaurants and coffee shops and clothing stores. You'll see when I go inside the precinct, which I'm going to show you. There are a lot of tourists, they also do come this side. So this is one of those areas in Johannesburg. You won't see a lot of street vendors here. It's very well kept. And there's a private college here for people who are interested in the arts, film. So basically the creative industry. So you can see how the streets are looking. So it's a Saturday afternoon, so quite busy. So I'm gonna walk inside the precinct and let's see what's happening today. So this precinct here hosts a lot of independent stores. So if you don't want to go to the big shopping malls where you'll find a lot of the same stores or similar stores, you can come to a place like this where you'll find unique independent stores. So this is one of the entrance for the precinct. And here on my right, that's the Luna store. It's a woman clothing store. If you're looking for some bridal wear, you can come to a place like this. So this one is also another clothing store. And then here on my left, it's a restaurant. It's a French-inspired restaurant. And on this side, there is a bookstore. There's also a gallery, but I think they've closed already, so I came a bit late. And then here on my right, it's a shop, Sealand. It's called Sealand. It sells outdoor clothing and accessories. And in this shop here, it's a vinyl shop. So if you wanna buy vinyls instead of streaming music, you can come to a place like Mr. Vinyl Store. Then here, there's a sitting area. In this store here, they sell, it's a textile company. And this shop, it's a flower shop. They are very busy now, especially since it's a Valentine's season. So like I said, some of the stores have already closed for the day, because I came late. So this area used to be an industrial complex. And then they were turned into independent businesses. So this place was opened in the year 2003. And here on my right, it's a restaurant. And on my left here, this is the Bioscope. It's an independent cinema. This is a fashion store, Yade. They specialize in African designs. So if you're tired of eating same styled food at big shopping malls, you must come and support the small businesses this side. You can also come and buy clothing here. So I hope you liked this video. If you liked the video, then don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, click a like. I'll see you guys in the next video.